Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about doctrine of common knowledge is variant of res ipsa loquitur. Doctrine of common knowledge is that everyone knows the thing. Like for example, a doctor has done a mistake, but everyone knows that it is a mistake. So that is a variant of res ipsa loquitur. In res ipsa loquitur, the thing speaks to itself. So in res ipsa loquitur, if the doctor has left a pair of scissors, those things, the scissors itself tell that the doctor has done a mistake. Whereas in doctrine of common knowledge, everyone knows that the scissors should not be left in the abdomen. So doctrine of common knowledge is a variant of res ipsa loquitur. Thank you and thank you for watching.